Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to create the reciprocal identities by using the sides of a right triangle. Let's begin. So I have a right triangle here whose legs are A and B and whose hypotenuse is C. And I'm going to place theta in the bottom left-hand corner. You can do this with theta being in the top right-hand corner, but I prefer theta to be in the bottom left-hand corner. And that makes the opposite side B. And that makes the adjacent side A. And again, C is the hypotenuse. The first reciprocal trig function is cosecant of theta. And the ratio for cosecant of theta is the hypotenuse divided by the opposite side, and that's going to be a b. I can rewrite that as the following. And what is the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse? Well, that is sine. So cosecant of theta is equal to 1 divided by sine of theta. So now we can write down our first two reciprocal identities. There's cosecant of theta is equal to 1 divided by sine theta. And that implies that 1 divided by the cosecant of theta is equal to sine theta. Okay, the next reciprocal function I'm going to talk about is secant of theta. Secant of theta is the hypotenuse divided by the adjacent side. And I can rewrite that as the following. And what is the ratio adjacent divided by hypotenuse? Well, that is cosine. So secant of theta is equal to 1 divided by the cosine of theta, which leads us to our next two reciprocal identities. Okay, and we can have a similar argument if we want to create the ratios for cotangent. However, I'm just going to write it out. The cotangent of theta is equal to 1 divided by the tangent of theta, which implies that 1 divided by the cotangent of theta is equal to the tangent of theta. And there are your 6 reciprocal identities.